a bond eternal with skies so blue, awakening love, old yet new. Through silent winds, the whispers flow, guiding hearts where light will grow. An endless journey the soul will know. Oh, the soul's awakening bright as day, a path of stars lights our way. In the universe's song we stay. Beneath the moon's soft silver glow, the seeds of truth begin to grow, a sacred dance in the cosmic show. Ooh. Through galaxies vast the call is heard, a harmony sung in every word, uniting all our spirits stirred. Oh, the soul's awakening bright as day, a path of stars lights our way. In the universe's song we stay. Infinite echoes in the night, souls ablaze with eternal love. Through time and space we reunite, a rhythm divine, both strong and kind, a melody moving heart and mind, a cosmic truth for all mankind. Oh, the soul's awakening bright as day, a path of stars lights our way. In the universe's song we stay. Echoes in the night, souls ablaze with eternal love. Through time and space we reunite. A rhythm divine, both strong and kind, a melody woven heart and mind, a cosmic truth for all mankind. Oh, the soul's awakening bright as day, a path of stars lights our way. In the universe's song we stay. The voice of the soul forever remains. In the heart of the universe harmony sings, an eternal connection, the joy it brings. Our destiny shines, a radiant ray, the soul in the cosmos, one pathway. In love's embrace we'll always stay.
A voice inside forever true, a bond eternal with skies so blue, awakening love, old yet new. Through silent winds, the whispers flow, guiding hearts where light will grow. An endless journey the soul will know. Oh, the soul's awakening bright as day, a path of stars lights our way. In the universe's song we stay. Beneath the moon's soft silver glow, the seeds of truth begin to grow, a sacred dance in the cosmic show. Through galaxies vast the call is heard, a harmony sung in every word, uniting all our spirits stirred. Oh, the soul's awakening bright as day, a path of stars lights our way. In the universe's song we stay. Beneath the moon's soft silver glow, the seeds of truth begin to grow, a sacred dance in the cosmic show. Through galaxies vast the call is heard, a harmony sung in every word, uniting all our spirits stir. All the souls awakening, bright as day. A path of stars lights our way. In the universe's song we stay. Infinite echoes in the night. Souls ablaze with eternal light. Through time and space we reunite. A rhythm divine, both strong and kind. A melody woven heart and mind. A cosmic truth for all mankind. Oh, the soul's awakening, bright as day. A path of stars lights our way. In the universe's song we stay. The voice of the soul forever it rings. In the heart of the universe harmony sings. An eternal connection, the joy it brings. Our destiny shines, a radiant ray. The soul and the cosmos, one pathway. In love's embrace, we'll always stay.